Bro, getting a girlfriend at a young age is so impossible. Like, the competition is just too tough. How do you expect me to compete with presidents and celebrities?
Bro, you think you are the competition. They consider you part of the market.
Little brothers have to compete even with Stephen Hawking. Dude, focus on your studies, my gang, and they'll come to you.
The type of she that splits your soul and your body.
Yo, do you know how to drive?
I don't know if you want to teach me.
This is how you honk,
The honky honk?
and this is your steering wheel.
Okay, what about the blinker fluid?
Bare minimum, by the way.
Row folded under zero pressure.
Folded! Excuse me?
Folded! Would you not let it happen?
Yeah, buddy!
You the real blinker fluid.
Told y'all when duty call. It's 11:59 at night, Monday. Just finished up my last back to school cut. Had to do a quick little lineup real fast. Yes, sir. Bang, bang. Talking about spiffy. You know you bad. Oh.
He looks like a Civil War veteran. Million years of human evolution for this.
Love this trend. Since we've already regressed intellectually, mentally, and socially, it's only logical to finish the job physically and go back to being apes in the trees. Oh no!
How girls pee in public restrooms.
Dad's handling the divorce well. This is why I quit using the toilet. Too many sweats.
Now I just shit in my hand and throw it out in the snow.
Hey, yo, what the f?
She's praying the gas pumps faster.
Best usage of free will so far. She's gonna put Survivor in her bio the next day.
How she not even look over once.
Survival instincts.
Bro went sploinky.
Looney Toony off fall. Knocked the Sonic coins out of him.
Dude lost his inventory. He pulled bro something to wipe with.
That's quality service right there. The hit was big, but there's something even bigger in the room.
That's some top-tier delivery.
WTF did I just watch? I am so sorry.
Gang, I'm in enemy territory, need backup.
That fart is the strawberry jam releasing.
Oh, hell no, man. What the
The best use of free will.
It's so disrespectful.
Do it again!
We've seen the comments. I don't like Ford. I don't like Hyundai. I don't like Genesis. That's totally fine. Because at Lakeland Automall, you don't have to pick a side. We've got Ford, Hyundai, Genesis, and everything else too. So no matter what you're driving, you'll find it here. Lakeland Automall, used cars for any taste.
Gentlemen, we meet again.
Awesome headlights and solid rear axles. Do you sell dump trucks?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell.
Awesome headlights.
What's her at?
Why? So you can slide in her DMs like a creep and get rejected.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Chef, why don't you let me lick your butthole? Can I get a yum 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 just on your booty hole? Could I lick your booty hole tonight, girl? Could I lick your booty hole tonight?
He's in her bedroom. I'd say he's weaning.
He hitting them nuts though.
Chef, why don't you let me lick your butthole?
Ain't been sick since '06.
Why was he licking it like that prior to consumption, though?
Muscle memory. Tradition.
Lubrication.
So I just got my hair done, but it's raining and we have to walk to the grocery store. My mom was laughing at me because she says, what are my little hands gonna do? Protect? Nothing.
What's her only clause? Smash. Next question. Good figure, cute smile, nice personally, hands down she's a keeper. I'm guessing her favorite beverage is White Claw. Just came for the comments and wasn't disappointed.
Coco, why did the duck fall in love with the dog? Coco, why? Because he was purebred.